Hello everyone, this is Dino Banzon, Banzon Realty. I'm here right now by the beach, by Ocean Beach in San Francisco, California. Anyway, you guys, these are part of the things that a day in the life of a realtor. I just met up with very good friends today, and we had a blast in catching up. So things like these, making connections, talking to people is what I do. And then if there's any opportunity for me to help a family buy a home, sell house, or invest in real estate, then I go there. But most importantly, it's more of the connection. So thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe so I can help more people invest in real estate. So thank you so much. Give me a call if you need any help. 650-745-6384. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.